Hello everyone, this is Haley Ashcroft. With this video, I'm going to show you guys that my home, login, and register PHP files are all HTML and CSS validated. Everything, well, the HTML and CSS is all correct in every single one of them. So I'll do that first. So this is the home page here, home.php. I'll go ahead and copy and paste the code and then input it in the validator. So we'll paste it here, and then if we check it, it says document checking completed, no errors or warnings to show. So everything looks good. So the home.php page has valid HTML. If we go to the login, we'll copy and paste this as well. Once again, there are no errors or warnings. So the login page is good to go. The last one is the register page to check the HTML. So we'll copy and paste. And same thing, no errors or warnings. So all of those 3 pages are all HTML valid. And then if we take a look at the CSS, the stylizing files, I will go ahead and validate those too. So we have the small CSS file. I'll go ahead and copy and paste the code from here. And that one is good to go as well. This is the medium CSS file. So for medium screen views, that one is also good to go. And lastly, we have the large CSS file. And that one doesn't have any errors either. So all my pages are CSS and HTML valid. As far as meeting the other objectives, we had to have the My Account link connect to the login page, and then the login page can also connect to the register page. And I did not get that far. I've got all the pages set up, but I was unable to connect them and have them function. It's not because of a lack of effort or procrastination. I worked hard on it all week. Because of the learning group that I have, it makes it really difficult to learn from my peers because of the time differences, but also because of language barriers as well. So with my learning team, it's very difficult to kind of collaborate, and this is not one of my strong suits. I do not have a sufficient understanding of the concept, but that doesn't mean I'm not going to finish this enhancement. So I will complete enhancement number 3 sometime next week once I get some sufficient help with the assignment. But I'll just show you what my pages look like so you can see that I have structured them correctly as far as the visual structuring goes. So if you look at my index, we'll go to the home.php page. If we run that, this is what it looks like. The nav list is not being defined. That's one of the errors I have going on here. I still need to fix that, but I have the My Account link that's being brought up. If we go to the login page, this is what this one looks like. So I have the email address, the password, the submit button is larger than the register button, so you can differentiate between the two, and you can see that they have they're separated by their importance because of their differences in size. The submit button will eventually submit the login information. The register button still needs to be connected to the register page, so that way people who aren't registered can register and sign up. But this is what my register page looks like. So you enter in the first name, last name, email, and password. All of these elements are required. I have that situated in the code, and then you can submit that as well. So that is my progress so far. Thank you so much for watching.